Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Congo Shore, the most amazing and exciting program of the season. You're about to meet the most troubled kids of this country, and that's why they've been sent to Congo, to learn what hard work, patience, and respect is. Let's begin our travel from ignorance to knowledge.
Panchito Productions presenta.
Jimmy's the whole day standing there on the sofa watching TV and eating chips. If he continues like this, he's gonna get fat, and I'm really worried about his health. So that's why I've decided to send him to Congo Shore.
Hey.
What's up? Yeah?
Hello, could you present yourself to us?
Yeah. My name is Jimmy. I'm 23 years old.
Okay, and could you tell us a little bit about your lifestyle?
I used to see much TV. I eat dinner, I eat my lunch, and I sleep.
And do you work?
No.
Well, I think for those reasons your mother has decided to send you to Congo Shore. Yeah, it's a program for troubled children.
I'm not in trouble.
Hello, my name is Victor. I'm the father of the Leonardo.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm the mother of my little baby. And this is a bad idea.
A bad idea? Everything's a bad idea for you. If it weren't for you, you would be in a military school by now.
What? You think it's love and affection from the parents, from us?
What he needs is help. No drugs in his room. Drugs. You know what drugs, honey? That's why we decided to send him to Congo Shore.
Hello, could you present yourself?
Yeah, my name's Tom. I'm 23 years old.
Could you tell us a little bit about your lifestyle, please?
Well, I just like to buy stuff, and like, you know, Gucci, Armani, all these cool brands. I just want lots of it.
And do you work?
No.
Well, I think for those reasons your parents have decided to send you to Congo Shore.
What?
Yeah, the program for troubled children.
Are you serious?
Good morning. My name is Charles Smith. This is my wife Christina. We're the parents of Katrina and Tim. They are reckless behavior, such as partying all the time, stealing our money, our cars, everything we have. They made the decision to send them to Congo.
Hi, Dad.
How's your day?
Oh,
Dad, I need money.
I already gave you money.
I want money!
don't you do that!
Hello, could you present yourselves?
Hi, my name is Tim,
I'm Katrina.
and we're 25-year-old.
Yeah, we're twins.
Well, and could you tell me a little bit about your lifestyle?
Oh yeah, well we just party.
We love partying.
We everyday party, everyday
Every
shopping.
day.
And I think for those exact reasons, your parents have decided to take you to Congo Shore. Do Do you realize it's not a club, right? It's a program for troubled children.
Troubled children?
We are troubled children?
What?
So now, the time has finally come. Now, my colleague, John, in Congo, is going to introduce us to the kids.
Well, hello, Michael. We just arrived in Congo, and you can see these participants. They can't really believe that their parents have sent them to the wild jungle. You just have to see their faces with all the things they're going to have to see.
Oh, there's a lock.
OMG.
Are you serious? Where's my TV?
Well, then I think the moment has finally arrived because I think we can hear the tribe members which are going to teach these kids a lesson.
Welcome to the Awaiki tribe. In this tribe, you're gonna learn respect,
Patience.
hard work.
Today, we'll start off with hard work.
You're gonna learn the wisdom of fishing.
What?
Fishing?
Yeah, sure. In our tribe, we're all a family. I present you my two brothers, Gucci.
Kalakal.
I'm going to build a house.
A house?
Like a house?
Yes.
Where you live in? Like
Yes.
a house?
Oh, now I get it. We're gonna be paid.
Yeah, we're gonna get paid.
Yes, of
Yeah.
The only favor you're gonna get is the gratitude of the family that doesn't have a house right now.
Yeah, but money. Are you?
Wait! No, both of you. Grab the cow essence and start building the house.
Cow essence? What does that mean?
I don't know. I'll check it out on my iPhone. Oh my God, Katrina! Don't touch it. It's actually the cow's dung. Don't touch me! Don't!
It's immaturity. You're gonna construct this house with your hands or without them.
So we can already see how the twins have experienced hard work. Now, we're going to move on to the river, where the two other boys are going to learn how to fish.
Well, yeah, Michael, you connect just in time because the fishing lessons are just about to begin. The shaman just arrived and, whoa, this looks confused.
Good morning. I'm the shaman of the tribe, and I'm going to teach you how to fish.
What's your name?
Kami. The first thing you need to do is step into the water. Then you need to feel the flow of the water. Think like the fish. Be the fish. And in the right moment, you catch a fish. But first, you're going to learn how to fish with a rope.
Yeah, come on, man. That's more easier.
No, what? Do it. Stop. First, you run with a rope.
No.
You can't learn to run without knowing how to walk. So first you throw the rope into the water. Let it flow. Let it be the water.
Pay attention.
Your turn.
Yeah, I think I got something. Come on, pull, pull.
The boys have learned how to use patience. Now, after an exhausting day, they're sitting around the fire, sharing their experiences.
Well, after a day of hard work, it's finally the time to rest. We're now under supper, and these kids are gonna get the talk of the lessons they received today.
Thank you so much for the house. We really appreciate it.
Oh, but you realize that your house is made from cow's dung, don't you?
Of course, it's a natural essence.
Oh,
Dear friend, here's a fish I've cooked for you.
Thanks. Yeah, dude, mine's bigger. No, mine's bigger. Thanks.
Okay, excuse me, if you could take us to the room hotel, it would be great.
Yes, please, I need a hot bath.
Of course, today you sleep with the animals. It's not a joke.
Michael, I do have a hotel room, don't I? I don't have to sleep with the animals. Michael, answer. Michael, don't leave me here. No, Michael, don't.
Now, it's time to sleep. Tomorrow, they're gonna learn how to respect.
I can't believe you made me sleep with the pigs, Michael. Doesn't cost that much to get a hotel room. I think they're gonna learn some respect lesson now. Think about, dancing and rain coming down. Things that Tribe say it's true, but it can never be true because you cannot rain if you're...
Silence! It has been a dry season. We need to make the gods happy and make it rain. We're going to perform the rain dance. Pay attention, it goes like this. You got it? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
You see, it does not work.
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Now, it's time for them to come home. They have learned respect, hard work, and patience. Now they have to introduce those things into their lives.
I'm so happy to see you.
Hi, how are you? I miss
Have
you
you
so
learned your
much.
lesson?
Yeah,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
person
yes, yes.
now.
Okay, let's go home.
Yeah.
Mom? Dad? Hey, Mom, Dad, hey! You know what? I don't really need another car or anything. Come on, let's go. I'll show you how to fish. Come on.
Oh, you're here!
How you doing?
You'll have me clean the house now, won't you?
Yeah, well.
Let's go.
Michael! I promise I'll never be bad again, okay? I learned those things. You don't have to send me anywhere else. I can work with you with the hotel, with the microphone, with whatever, but just don't send me anywhere else. You're taking me home now, right, you?
Yeah, for like 20 minutes, then we're back. Madagascar shore is waiting.
Madagascar shore? No, I don't want to go there. Wait!